huge returns. We just made 520% on the last 48 hours. Trade recap today is Amelo Studio, DFI Money, Syntrophy, Viot, Brain Trust, Well Mix, Origami. Guys, you remember our Well Mix I told you, members? What happened with Well Mix is after this crash, I start to have a volume spike right here, like I always say. You see this candles down here? They have volume spike. That's what I'm tracking 24/7. Volume spike. So when I get this first volume spike, I recommend to buy. So we bought this coin for 42 cents. So far, we already made 95%. Okay, trade crypto members know when they're gonna sell this coin. Okay, now Enzo Taylor, new member. Taylor, how much you can start a trade? You can start with $200. The idea is to make more money, and you're gonna get used to how this process works in maximum 2 weeks. Okay, next trade recap is Viot. Shares is trading the private list on December 2nd. We bought this coin for 0.0086 and you sold for 0.017, 97%. I made $9,000 in this coin. I made 90%. Chromotech share is traded private list December 4th. Was the almost yesterday midnight 1 a.m. The coin pumped today or after. We already made 40% so far, but a pretty good day. Like I mentioned before, 520% made on the last 48 hours. We trade coin with high volume. Take a look at the volume of DFI money, $400 million. That's insane, guys. If I made $52,000 trade in the last 48 hours, you can make the same profits I do. You just need to follow my trades. I print screen my monitor and share in the private list. All the members buy the same coin at the same time. So just think about it. We make these things hurry up. So if you don't like to trade, you can trade for you. Reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.